Fluid analysis is a predictive maintenance tool for monitoring and evaluating lubricant and equipment conditions, allowing you to optimize your drain intervals and get an inside look into what's happening in your equipment before failure occurs. Fluid analysis includes oil, coolant, diesel fuel, and grease. Testing these types of lubricating fluids also allows you to maximize asset reliability, identify minor problems before they become major failures, and avoid unplanned equipment downtime. This can ultimately extend the life of your equipment, saving you time and money. Fluid analysis provides you with vital information on the condition of both the fluid and the asset being tested. It can detect wear and contamination problems that, if left unchecked, can severely affect equipment performance or cause catastrophic failure. After your sample is taken and shipped to our laboratory, we conduct the testing and provide the analysis results, complete with maintenance recommendations, giving you the power to make informed decisions to maximize equipment performance. Your sample data is reviewed, and precise, reliable maintenance recommendations are crafted by the best data analysts in the industry, assuring you get insightful, specific, actionable information fast, so you can save more of your equipment. Ready to get started predicting your maintenance, monitoring your conditions, and saving more of your equipment? Contact us today.